Hello guys, in this video you are going to learn how to solve problems in simple proportion and inverse proportion using unitary method. By unitary method I mean the use of a unit or one to compare the quantity you have. Okay, now let's have question 1 from simple proportion. Question number 1: if 5 books cost $25, what will be the cost of 7 books? 5 books cost $25. Using unit now, 1 book will cost what? 1 book cost, of course, 1 book will cost less than $25. So I'm going to use 25 divided by 5. Okay, so if you have less, if it will cost less, you use this quantity and you divide this quantity by this one. All right, so 25 divided by 5, of course that will give me 5. Then 7 books will cost more, of course, so I multiply the 7 by the unit price, okay, which is $35, and that will give me $35. Okay, question 2: if 6 meters of wire weigh 370 kilograms, what will be the weight in kilogram of half a kilometer of wire? I bet you can solve this. All you need to do is to replace this half a kilometer with 500 meters, okay, and then use your unitary method or unit to compare whatever you have, okay, and solve. Now question 1, in inverse proportion, 12 men can dig a trench in 8 days. How many men can dig it in 6 days if all the men work at the same rate? Now we are looking for the number of men, isn't it? It is important to put whatever you're looking for at the right hand side. That means my first statement is going to look like this: 8 days, or in 8 days 12 men dig a trench. Okay, dig a trench, so on. Now in one day, of course, more men, we will need more men, isn't it? 12 times 8 men will dig a trench. Okay, now this is how we are able to know that this is inverse proportion. When you're comparing with a unit and then you have to multiply, it tells you that you need to get more values. Okay, that's how we know. For direct, when you're comparing a unit, you need to divide. Okay, that's how we know it's direct. But in inverse, you are going to get more quantity. Okay, that's how you get to know that this is, of course, an inverse proportion. So let's get the last one. In 6 days, okay, what will be, how many men will dig the trench? Of course, we will have less men when we compare with the unit number of men digging. The number of men digging in 1 day divided by 6, and that will give me 16 men. Now, question number 2 on the inverse proportion. 3 over 5 of money is what? 2,400. What is 2 over 5 of it is what? Now 3 over 5 of an amount of money is what? This. It's what? $2,400. Okay, 1 of the amount will be worth, of course, more than a fraction of it. So we'll have 3 over 5 times 2,400. That gives me 1,440. Okay, so 2 over 5 of the amount will be what less than what one unit will be what. So I had to divide. So I have 1440 divided by 2 over 5. Okay, of course, this will imply that 1440 over 1 times 5 over 2, which will give me, that will give me $3,600. Okay, guys, if you have any problem or any question regarding simple or inverse proportion, please don't forget to comment on the comment section. If you have any recommendation or anything you want me to work on or improve, please comment on the comment section. Don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to post your questions, okay, so that I can make similar videos like this. All right, don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you.